Oh, Millie.
Hey, Brian, say pew pew. Say pew pew. Make a laser gun.
It's not the right time.
No. Shoot Xander with a laser gun. Come on, you can do it.
He wants to.
No, he does. He wants to be shot with a laser.
Xander,
look. All right, Cooper wants to be shot with. See what Cooper does. Cooper does right up there. Cooper wants to be shot with laser.
I don't see Cooper.
Well, Amy does.
Amy
does. Yeah, she wants to be shot with laser.
Pew pew.
Perfect. All right, we get to drive home now, guys. Hey.
Yay.
You excited, dude? Did you have fun playing Cooper? Yeah, good. You ready to go, Xander?
Xander's stoked.
Yeah.
I've been excited all morning.
You got your St. Patty's Day shirt on to sit in the car all day? Let me see your St. Patty's Day shirt. Sit up.
Those are pretty cool.
There you go. Pretty awesome. What's St. Patrick's Day? Miss Cat read you a story or something. What was it about, dude? Stand up and look at me. Tell me. It's just about being green? That's it? I thought she read you a whole story, dude. What'd she say?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay. Alright. We're going to drive home now.
She's like, oh, this is too little for me. This is too little.
Hey, Millie. Millie.
I used to fit on this.
Hey, Millie. Millie.
She goes, why is this bench shrinking?
And there's biscuits.
Rat dog.
See you later, Coop.
Dog.